Keep your tools organized and within reach with TradeMaster carts, only from Rubbermaid Commercial. These versatile work centers are engineered with metal-reinforced structural foam. They're as strong and as tough as any pure metal workstation, but they go one step further. They're more durable and built to last. All feature locking drawers or cabinets for safe, secure storage. The drawers are strengthened with commercial quality ball bearing slides. The cabinet side includes an adjustable shelf that's removable too. Tops have molded in storage compartments for quick access. And all feature 5-inch non-marking casters that lock for safety. This model also has a 3-outlet surge protected power strip and a 10-foot cord wrap too. Best of all, TradeMaster carts are ready for work, arriving 90% assembled. Put a workbench within reach wherever you need it. The TradeMaster carts, only from Rubbermaid Commercial.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.